The Keystone cut diamond is an unconventional and rare shape, designed to resemble a wedge or a trapezoid. Its distinctive silhouette sets it apart from traditional cuts, making it a unique choice for those seeking something extraordinary. Typically used as accent stones in multi-stone settings, the Keystone cut is often paired with larger center stones to enhance their visual impact and symmetry. What makes the Keystone cut unique is its ability to add a dynamic and architectural flair to jewelry designs. The step-cut faceting highlights clarity and creates a subtle, elegant sparkle, emphasizing clean lines and a modern aesthetic. While not commonly used as a standalone centerpiece, the Keystone cut plays a critical role in creating balanced, eye-catching designs, particularly in geometric or Art Deco-inspired jewelry. Its distinctive shape and understated brilliance make it an excellent choice for those who value creativity and bold design in their diamond jewelry. If you want to learn gems and jewelry export-import business from India, join online master course, visit amitmulani.com.